was a boy, a very strange enchanted boy. Said he wandered very far, very far, over land and sea. Sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, a magic day passed my way, while we spoke of many things, fools and kings. This he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. The greatest thing you'll ever learn, just to love and then one day, magic day passed my way, while we spoke many things, fools and kings. This he said to me: the greatest thing you can never learn is just to love and be loved in return. Be loved in return. One of those great ballads. My Frankie Boy did this, Blue Eyes. Alan McPike arrangement. Each time I see a crowd of people, just like a fool, I stop and stare. I know it's not the proper thing to do, but maybe you'll be there. I go out walking after midnight along the lonely thoroughfare. I know it's not the right thing to do, but maybe you'll be there. me. Said your lips were mine alone to kiss. But after all those things you told me, how can it end like this? Someday if all my prayers are answered, I'll hear a footstep on the stairs with an anxious heart. I'll hurry to the door, and just maybe you'll be there. Alan. You said your arms would always hold me. You said your lips were mine alone to kiss. But after all those things that you told me, how can it end like this? Someday if all my prayers are answered, I'll hear a footstep on my front step with an anxious heart. I'll hurry to the door, and just maybe